Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Mike. In today's video, we will be doing a 10-minute Yin Yoga for beginners, specifically designed for athletes. So this is going to be a great little sequence to relax and recover the body. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin the sequence coming into an extended child's pose. Knees as wide as the mat, the big toes touching behind you. And from here, let's extend the arms out long in front of us. Relaxing the forehead in the mat, really breathing into the back body. And whenever I do Yin Yoga, I really love to practice a 6 and 6 breath. So inhaling for 6 seconds, exhaling for 6 seconds. So feel free to practice that here as well. And on your next exhale, let's slide forward onto our bellies, and we'll make our way into a Sphinx pose. So stacking the elbows underneath the shoulders, forearms out in front of you. Really breathing into the front side body here. Again, come back to your breath. On your next exhale, let's release. From here, we'll make our way onto our bums. And once we get there, let's extend both legs out long in front of us, keeping the feet flexed towards us. And from here, let's inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, melt forward, coming into a forward fold. Really breathing into the back of the legs here. See if you can sink a little deeper with each exhale. And on your next exhale, slowly release, roll it back up. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. And once we get onto our backs, let's hug our right knee into our chest. And then from here, guide our right knee over to the left, coming into a supine twist. Your right arm can come to a T. Just make sure you keep both shoulders in the mat at all times here. So you don't want to be coming all the way down here with your right shoulder lifting up. You want to dial it back just enough so both shoulders are firmly rooted into the mat. Again, come back to your breath. And on your next exhale, come back to center, extend the right leg long. And we'll take it over to the other side. So let's extend the left knee into our chest. And then from here, guiding our left knee over to the right side. Left arm coming into a T. Again, make sure to keep both shoulders firmly rooted in the mat here. And then on your next exhale, slowly come back to center. And now from here, we'll make our way into our final pose, coming into a reclined butterfly. So simply just bringing the soles of the feet together, letting the knees, the hips open up wide. Hands can rest down beside you, or you can have one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Just letting your hips open up naturally here. I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you want to take a Shavasana, you can do that as well. Or if you're ready to go, we can rock up into a seated position of your choice. And from here, wherever you are, let's bring the hands together at our hearts. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.